Hey everyone, we are less than a week for Labor Day and I decided to just go ahead and start taking down the summer decor and getting cleaned up and ready for summer while it is a beautiful day outside, and just let the kids play and have fun, and then I can stay inside and focus on getting the closet cleared out, because the closet where we store all that is where they do school. So I'm going to go ahead and try to get the summer bin out to pack down the summer decor while they're outside, and then get the fall bin out to start looking at what we have, and then maybe tomorrow go shopping for some of the newer pieces to replace things, because some of the artificial flowers and stuff, they just get worn out over time. And when the yard flags also, because summer and fall here, just like they get sun bleached every single year, so it seems like every single year we're having to replace yard flags. So we're gonna look at what we have, what we want to get. It's not a need. I know it's not a need. I know, no, it's not a need. But I love having a space that looks super nice whenever we come home. So, and while we are at home. So I like to decorate. It's my thing to do. So we're gonna decorate today, or not decorate, we're gonna undecorate today. And then it'll kind of give us a couple days of a blank canvas to kind of picture how we want things to be. But let me turn it around and we're gonna start undecorating and cleaning. I'm literally only gonna show you spaces that we're cleaning, or that we're undecorating and cleaning. We're not gonna do like a full house. We're just gonna show you what we're undecorating and cleaning today. I'm also gonna preface that even though I will be decorating over here, I'm probably not gonna worry about deep cleaning as much over here, since I just did it a few weeks ago for back to school. So I'm not gonna worry about it. There's a couple things over here that need to go other places, and I already have the fall tote out. That was actually in spring and summer because I use it for fall and winter. So when I went to unpack the spring stuff, I just put it in there for safekeeping for fall and winter. I need to figure out a new top to it. I actually made it myself. I just need to put a new top to it. So this area is not going to be clean, but the rest of them are. So let's start a speed cleaning session. Go ahead and preface, I'm not sweeping that porch right now. The last time I did, my sinuses went so crazy that I actually ended up with vertigo for like 24 hours, because it happens because I've got a bad ear tube on this side. So I'm not touching it. I'm not going to do it because I have shopping tomorrow and the kids are all doing tests on their first chapter of school. I'm not going to do it. Like, yes, I've tried wearing the face coverings and all that while doing it. It didn't help this year, and other people in this area have said their allergies have been worse this year, so I'm not doing that. I can dust inside. That's not a problem. It doesn't bother me as bad. That out there doesn't like me. I like it. It doesn't like me. Going outside and hiking is not a problem, but like dusting, sweeping, raking, any of that right now, mowing, I'm so thankful for people who are mowing for us, because like I can't this year. Anyway, so I am gonna go ahead and do that. I am not gonna clean this door. I dust it like twice a year. It doesn't, like, I don't know, it just, because whatever kind of paint they painted this door with before we moved in, it doesn't do well with cleaners. So I dust it. I may clean this glass though. Maybe. I don't know. Or I could just do this. There, that's better. Let's do some indoor cleaning today. Two things. Number one, I absolutely love dusting with an air compressor because it gets all of it. And apparently that piano had never been dusted like that before. Number 2, how I can do that with a mask on and can breathe fine, I have no idea, but can't go outside with 2 masks on and sweep my front porch. It's crazy. Let's keep going. All right, let's see what's in here.